FaMe offers a state-of-the-art hotel room and facility management solution. The FaMe solution upgrades the classic facility management with smart home functions to a new level. The FaMe solution increases the comfort for the guests and organize the cleaning and maintenance work invisible for the guests. First, an overview. The FaMe solution copies the front desk bookings to organize the room operation work invisible for the guests. The system schedules the planned maintenance and the deep cleaning work, synchronized with the occupation status of the room. The system generates the work tickets automatically during the unoccupied time of the hotel room. The daily cleaning routines use the actual room booking status. With a proven QR code system, the cleaners confirm the proper cleaning per room. The supervisor can check immediately the work quality with the FaMe Survey tablet application. Special cleaning or repair requests, ordered from the guest with the room-located touchscreen, appears immediately at the FaMe Supervisor dashboard for further actions. The touchscreen can be used to order other room services like food, beverage, or laundry requests. As an upgrade, FaMe offers a smart room management system. Based on the smart home technology, the FaMe system operates the room with IoT sensors and actors to increase the comfort. The guests switch on and off, for example, the lights with a click. He can choose prepared light scenarios, like sunset dim with relaxed music, or sunrise with bird sweating and automatically blinds opening, dinner scenario with piano sound, or office light. No limits. Smart meters reads the energy and water consumption for every single room. On the end, the FaMe system generates automatically for every room and booking a sustainable report, with carbon footprint calculation for the guest booking. How it works? FaMe uses common smart home sensors and actors. The standard components are proven and reduce the investment and operation costs. There are 100 types of sensor available. No limits. Light actors and sensors. Air condition controls. Temperature and air quality sensors. Occupation and door close sensors. The FaMe Central Server manages every room on demand. The guest operates the smart room with a touch screen. The guest can book additional services like breakfast or dinner or laundry service. FaMe uses AI applications to run the room equipment automatically, driven by the wishes and behavior of the guests. The FaMe application manages not only the light and temperature at the hotel room with a click. The guest can book with the touchscreen additional services. No phone calls necessary. The guest books for an example beverage, asks for laundry or other services like concierge support, or he books online a table for dinner at the hotel restaurant. All services booked with a simple fingertip. The system manages automatically the bill. The system offers ready-to-use scenarios. The scenarios synchronize the room lights, temperature, curtains, and sounds with one click for an unique ambience. The system shows the actual carbon footprint. The guest has the option to operate his hotel room manually. He opens the operation panel with a simple click on the room description. He switches on, off, or he dims the selected light, or he changes the room temperature, or close the blinds. No limits. The room sensors overviews the air quality and increase the guest safety with smoke and fire detectors. The guest books beverage room service online. Or request for a laundry service. The selected service department gets the request immediately with no time gap on a service screen. FaMe supports the operation of service robots. The FaMe Hotel Management System moves your hotel management to the next level. Smart hotel management for smart cities. Don't hesitate to contact FaMe or one of our partners for more information. Thank you for your time.